Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Scarlett 18i8 audio interface. First, carefully unbox your new Scarlett 18i8 and locate all the included components, especially the power supply and USB cable. Connect the power supply to the interface and plug it into an outlet. Then, connect the USB cable from the interface to an available USB port on your computer. This establishes the basic hardware connection. Next, it's time for the software. Visit the Focusrite website and download the most recent version of Focusrite Control, which includes the necessary drivers for your 18i8. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. It's a good practice to restart your computer once the installation finishes to ensure all drivers are properly loaded and recognized by your system. Now let's connect your audio equipment. For microphones, use XLR cables and plug them into the combo inputs. For instruments, use 1/4-inch jack cables. Connect your studio monitors to the main monitor outputs using balanced 1/4-inch cables. If you're using headphones, plug them into one of the 2 dedicated headphone outputs on the front panel. This gets your audio flowing in and out. Finally, open the Focusrite Control application on your computer. This software is your command center for the 18i8. Here, you can route your inputs to various outputs, adjust individual input gain levels for optimal recording, and create custom monitor mixes for yourself and any performers. Take some time to explore the settings and tailor them to your specific recording or listening needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.